Moi kaikki! Today we'll learn 6 ways, 6 tapaa to say very in Finnish. As a quick reminder to those of you that are members of my Patreon or YouTube memberships, level 2, I will be uploading the monthly workbook within the next few days. I make monthly Finnish language practice workbooks that I upload for my level 2 members, and because I've been doing this for a long time now, 20 months I guess, if you join now, you'll immediately get access to all of those 20 plus workbooks that you can download, and you can also end the membership at any point in time. So actually it's a pretty good deal. So just wanting to let you know, and the new one will be up in the next few days. So kiitos. The most basic way to describe something as very big, very beautiful, very warm is to use the Finnish word tosi. 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 It means very. Tosi. So for example, if something is very beautiful, you can say se on tosi kaunis. Tosi kaunis. Se on tosi kaunis. Kukka on tosi kaunis. If it's very warm outside, you can say se on tosi lämmin ulkona. Se on tosi lämmin. Tosi lämmin ulkona. And the same way as you say in English, you can say, oh, it's very, very warm outside. You can also say it twice to really emphasize the point. Se on tosi, tosi lämmin ulkona. Tosi, tosi lämmin. Tosi lämmin. A similar word may be used slightly less often and maybe a bit more kirjakieli, but still means the same, is todella. 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 Also means very. So for example, if you say, tää TV-sarja on todella hyvä, you're really emphasizing it's todella hyvä. It maybe sounds a little bit stronger than tosi, just because it's not used as often in spoken Finnish. So when you do use it, you're really emphasizing todella hyvä, for example. This TV show is very good. Todella hyvä. Tää TV-sarja on todella hyvä. Or if you come across someone that has a very bright, colorful shirt, you could describe it as sun paita on todella värikäs. Your shirt is very colorful. Very colorful. Todella värikäs. Todella värikäs. Sun paita on todella värikäs. So tosi and todella both mean very. Another word that can mean very is erittäin. Erittäin. I guess this can technically also be translated to extremely, but it is in a way a synonym to very. Toi on erittäin korkea rakennus. That is a very tall building. Erittäin korkea. Erittäin. 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 Very or extremely. Or kokkasit erittäin hyvää ruokaa. Kokkasit erittäin hyvää. Very good. Extremely good. Kokkasit erittäin hyvää ruokaa. Tosi, todella, erittäin, all pretty much synonyms. The fourth word is very much a puhekieli word, and that is hirveen. Hirveen. And we're not talking about a moose here. Moose is hirvi, but hirveen. Hirveen. If you're, for example, playing a card game with someone and suddenly they shout out, tää on hirveen kivaa, it means this is very fun. Hirveen kivaa, very fun. Tää on hirveen kivaa. Hirveen kivaa. Very fun. Or sä oot hirveän mukava. You are very kind or very nice. Hirveän mukava. Very nice, very kind, very lovely person. Sä oot hirveän mukava. Hirveen. Hirveän mukava. With hirveän, it's already quite puhekieli, this word, but if you want to make it a more kirjakieli, I suppose, you would say hirveän. Hirveän. Sä oot hirveän mukava. Okay? Tosi, todella, erittäin, hirveen, and another one that's quite puhekieli is kauheen. 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 Mä oon kauheen onnellinen. I'm very happy. Kauheen. Very. Onnellinen. Happy. Mä oon kauheen onnellinen. I'm very happy. Or tää bändi on kauheen kiva. This band is very nice. Very fun. Tää bändi on kauheen kiva. Kauheen kiva. Tää bändi on kauheen kiva. And as a note, kauheen in kirjakieli or more formal, not that it's a very formal word to begin with, but to make it a bit more kirjakieli, you would say kauhean. Tää bändi on kauhean kiva. Finally, the last word is oikein. Oikein. This one isn't used in such varying contexts. Usually it's used with the words hyvä or huono. For example, oikein hyvää huomenta, which would translate to something like very good morning. Have a very good morning. Oikein hyvää huomenta. Oikein hyvää. Very good. Oikein hyvää huomenta. Or viihdyn lumessa oikein hyvin. I enjoy or I like being in the snow very much. So oikein hyvin. Very much. Very well is literally, but it kind of means more I enjoy being in the snow very much, or I'm very comfortable in the snow. I like being in the snow very much. Something like this. So viihdyn lumessa oikein hyvin. So let's recap. The 6 words that you can use to describe something as very something in Finnish are tosi, todella, erittäin, hirveen or hirveän, kauheen or kauhean, and oikein. Kiitos paljon kun katsoitte ja nähdään ensi videossa. Moikka!